Looking to give your home a fresh, elegant makeover in 2025? Start with your windows, because curtains are taking center stage this year. From soft neutrals to bold patterns, the latest curtain trends are all about blending comfort, technology, and timeless design. In this video, we'll explore the top curtain trends for 2025 that are transforming home interiors with style and functionality. In interior design, curtains are more than just fabric. They shape your room's personality. They control light, enhance mood, and add a layer of sophistication that ties your entire space together. The curtain trends of 2025 are redefining how we decorate our windows, with a focus on natural materials, smart features, and sustainable beauty. Let's take a look at what's trending and how you can bring these stunning designs into your own home. 1. Earthy and neutral tones. The 2025 curtain palette is moving toward warm neutrals and earthy hues. Think sand beige, warm taupe, soft olive, and creamy whites, colors that make your interiors feel calm and grounded. These shades pair perfectly with wood textures, minimalist decor, and natural light. They create a peaceful environment that feels effortlessly elegant, perfect for modern Dubai and global interiors alike. 2. Textured fabrics for depth. Plain curtains are making way for rich textures in 2025. Linen blends, woven cotton, jacquard, and slub fabrics are gaining popularity because they add depth and visual interest to any room. These textures create soft movement, especially in sunlight, adding a touch of sophistication even to the simplest spaces. 3. Layered curtains for a luxurious look. Layering continues to dominate curtain design this year. The trend combines light sheers with heavier drapes, allowing you to adjust light and privacy effortlessly. It's not just functional, it gives a luxurious, hotel-like feel to your living or bedroom space. Mix neutral tones with soft metallic or velvet accents for that perfect high-end look. 4. Bold prints and artistic patterns. 2025 is the year of creative expression in home interiors. Designers are embracing botanical prints, abstract patterns, and geometric designs to make curtains a focal point of the room. A statement curtain can instantly elevate a simple space, adding character and modern flair. The key is balance. Pair bold curtains with neutral walls and minimalist furniture for a curated look. 5. Sustainable and eco-friendly fabrics. Sustainability isn't just a buzzword, it's a lifestyle choice in 2025. Eco-conscious homeowners are now choosing organic cotton, bamboo, and recycled polyester fabrics for their curtains. These materials are renewable, durable, and breathable, ensuring your home looks beautiful while staying kind to the planet. It's a smart and stylish choice that reflects modern values. 6. Smart and motorized curtains. Technology is redefining window treatments in 2025. Motorized and smart curtains are gaining huge popularity, especially in luxury and modern homes. They can be controlled through your smartphone or voice commands, offering convenience and energy efficiency. Imagine opening your curtains with a single tap or scheduling them to close at sunset. Comfort meets technology in style. 7. Statement curtain rods and accessories. Curtain rods are no longer just hardware, they're becoming decorative elements themselves. Expect to see matte black, brushed gold, and sleek metallic finishes dominating interiors. Tiebacks, tassels, and rings in unique materials like leather or crystal are also adding subtle luxury details to window designs. 8. Floor-to-ceiling elegance. To make your space appear larger and grander, floor-to-ceiling curtains are a must in 2025. This style elongates your walls and enhances natural light beautifully. Choose light fabrics like sheers or linen to maintain an airy, open feel while adding height and drama to the room. 9. Mix of modern and traditional styles. The new trend in 2025 is about blending contemporary and classic curtain styles. Think of modern prints and traditional pleats, or classic drapes with minimalist tiebacks. It's all about creating a personalized look that feels both timeless and trend-forward. So whether you love natural linen textures, bold artistic prints, or smart curtain systems, 2025 brings something for every style and home. Curtains are no longer just an accessory, they're a statement piece that defines your interior. So go ahead, Experiment with layers, colors, and fabrics to create a look that's truly your own. Because in 2025, a fresh look begins with beautiful curtains.